Hello? I can't hear you. I'm talking on the wrong end. Oh, now I can hear you. Great. Awesome. Haha. Sweet. Okay, so, video number 5. I was thinking that maybe I should reminisce about my own experiences. So, good rocker story. I was a sophomore, senior class. We're talking about senior pranks, right? I don't want to give you guys too many ideas here because I'm on video. I could lose my job. But here's a good one, pretty harmless. My sophomore year, I'm driving to school. It's like the last week of school, and I'm on Onward Parkway from the north end, and I'm going along Onward Parkway, and all of a sudden, like, there's a bunch of cars backed up, and like two in front of me, a couple cars in front of me, was this giant tractor. So some senior woke up at like 4 in the morning and rented a John Deere tractor and drove it to school, and it maxed out at like 15 miles per hour, hence waking up at like 4 in the morning. And it was hilarious. This tractor was ginormous. And he drove it up the speed bumps, you know, everything. And the tractor took 4 parking spots. So from the story I heard, Mr. Alvey gave him 3 jugs, 1 for each parking spot beyond his parking pass. But it was pretty funny. It was enormous, this giant tractor. Just slowly, 15 miles an hour, going up the hill, making everybody late. But good story. Also, college, here's a good story. We had a cafeteria called Danforth Cafeteria, and Danforth had this big giant hill. And behind this hill, since Rochester snowed a lot, there was a lot of tray sledding, so traying going on at the bottom of that hill. But one morning, my girlfriend, now wife, and I were having brunch, and we're having brunch in Danforth. And it had snowed, of course, the night before, like every night. And we see these 2 guys like stand up and sort of survey the dining hall to see if there were any workers, because there weren't any workers anywhere near cleaning up and stuff. And I was like, "What's going on? What are they like casing the joint? Are they going to steal some extra pancakes? What's going on?" Anyways, one of them looks at these 2 guys, and one of them looks at the other one, and kind of gives them a nod. And they go, "Go!" They pick up the giant booth that they were sitting in. Pick it up, because it was like detached from the wall. This giant, like just like a regular booth, like when you go sit at a booth at a restaurant. Heave it over their shoulders, sprint across the dining hall, kick open the emergency door, throw the booth through the door, run through the door, jump on the booth, both of them, slide down the hill, they fall and they get to the bottom, they get up and they just run. It was pretty good. It was a classic moment to see. So anyways, seniors, I hope that you look forward to your time. And before we do question number 5, I just want to say that I hope after you graduate, you guys come back and visit, come back and say hi, but don't look back. Got it? Come back, but don't look back. Keep going. Okay, question number 5. We've got a base. Now we've got trig going on from 0 to pi over 4. It tells us the bounds, so we're integrating from 0 to pi over 4. Again, along the x-axis. And again, these are squares. So the area of a square is sides squared. The length of each side is the secant x. So it's secant squared of x. And there we go. That's my volume. It's pretty easy. So the derivative of what is secant squared? The derivative of tangent. So the integral of secant squared is the tangent. So we've got the tangent of x evaluated from 0 to pi over 4. Tangent of pi over 4 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2, and that's my answer. So you just pick the one that's closest to that. So probably 0.5, although I didn't really think about this ahead of time. But anyway, square root of 2 over 2 is our final answer as our volume. So I got a trick for you. A-team, anyone? A-team? Okay. Warm it up, warm it up. Dice. Classic trick. Nothing in the cup. 4 dice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Dice stacking. There you have it. Now you might say, Really, seriously, Mr. Hauser, you're gonna end a trick like that? No, juggle 4 dice. Woo! All right, I just made that up. You're gonna end a trick like that? Don't worry. I think I've got a better idea. We're thinking of the past, my past moments. There's a video of me, my freshman year in college, a juggling promotional video, and I just gotta say, I'm pretty hot in the video. You'll see it. There's a link to that video on YouTube below on this page. It's gonna be pretty embarrassing for me, so I'm glad I'm not there. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you when you get back. Go Chess Team.